All right, this morning in Today Food, we are tackling some Super Bowl favorites with a former NFL player turned chef. You can see who he roots for. Oh, yeah. Derrell Smith is CEO of 99 Eats and the host of Mad Good Foods.
He's now in a new special on Tastemade called the Ultimate Game Day Spread. Derrell, good to have you back, chef.
Hi.
Good to have you back.
Yeah, you're always glad to have you.
Something good when you're here.
Oh, yeah, so what are we starting with?
So today we got some buffalo chicken rolls. I like this recipe because you can eat it with one hand and keep it brewing in the other one. Yeah, we always want that, right?
Yeah.
Food.
I'm going to put you guys to work. So we got some wrappers in front of us. We got a little bit of buffalo chicken.
Do this one.
A good part about this is we want to just mix all these things together. So we got some onion powder. We got a little bit of garlic powder. We got some mozzarella cheese, make it nice and stringy because we love stringy, don't we?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
We're going to put a little bit of this buffalo chicken.
And the chicken, can that be either homemade or rotisserie?
I would say rotisserie. Make it easy.
Okay, make life easy.
Don't cook no chicken.
That's
Easy peasy.
Mix all of those things together, right? I'll put a little bit of salt.
Is that actual, like, buffalo sauce or hot sauce?
Absolutely. So you want to just get like a nice store-bought hot sauce that you want or buffalo sauce. I recommend buffalo sauce.
Okay.
Keep it simple.
Once we get these things together, we're going to start to roll these bad boys up, all right? What
This
you
is
want to do?
easy. I mean, I say easy, but then I watch me butcher it.
Well, this is the part where you want to do it with the kids. This is a little dry, so I'm going to get the one on the bottom.
Okay, I'll do the one on the bottom.
Nice and moist that is.
Or like
So this is just a spring roll wrapper.
Oh, okay.
So I can just go to the store and buy spring roll wrappers.
Absolutely.
What's the trick to keeping those things closed?
You want to make sure that you get a little bit of some type of wash. So we got an egg wash, but you can use water. You could pretty much use anything you want. That's good, ain't it?
Yours.
Yeah,
He already eaten.
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna watch you guys.
Okay.
So here we go, right? So now you're just going to take this thing, fold it over, and you're just going to roll it like a rug.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Roll it like a rug.
Roll it like a rug.
Okay.
And once we get to the end, you're going to take that egg wash.
Oh, wow.
And you're just going to come right here.
Oh, I see, like glue.
Just like glue.
Okay. Can I tell you something?
What you
I've never done anything with an egg wash.
Is that right?
Well,
She's not lying to you.
Look at that.
You never used an egg
Once we get these right, we're going to just pop these bad boys right into our oil. We're going to let those simmer.
I don't know if the oil's hot enough.
Well, once you start to see these bubbles around the edges, that means it's perfectly the right temperature, right? With this, we let these sit in the freezer for about an hour. Just let them cool, just nice and sturdy. Then we put them into the oil. Over here, we got some pizza pockets. These are a little bit simpler. We just got some meatballs and a little bit of cheese, similar to our other rolls.
And what kind of wrap is that?
Here. This is phyllo dough. No, this is a puff pastry. Sorry about that. Yes.
So you just buy some puff pastry?
Yep, puff pastry right from the store.
Have you ever used that before?
We take these bad boys and we come around and just squeak.
So just
Crimp them. Once we get to this stage, we pop it into the fridge. You can hit this with a little bit of that stuff, a little bit of that egg wash.
So you can make these ahead of time, Derrell.
You need to make these ahead of time.
Okay.
You got a lot of stuff to do on game day, and I'm very cognizant of that.
Exactly.
Right?
This is yummy, Derrell.
I appreciate it. And the beautiful thing about this, you can watch all of these recipes on the new special that we're coming out. It's airing on Tastemade this Friday. It's an excellent show. I get to interview some really cool ex-NFL players. We got Vernon Davis, we got Chanel Gumake coming up, Ricky Williams, which is one of my idols. So
what a great idea!
Watch my show.
Every time you come, you like chop it. Like you just keep getting better and better.
I'm gonna hand these out after y'all leave.
Oh my goodness!
The Ultimate Game Day Spread, the special.
Oh my goodness!
February 3rd. It's over on Tastemade's streaming channel.
So good.
Chef Derrell, thank you so much.
What is this?
Third hour today, right back after this.
This is like a hot.
Oh my God!
Like a hot pocket.
It's so good. Better than a Hot Pocket.
I agree with that.